Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'll be showing you how to create a free mobile app for your business. The platform that we'll be using is Jotform. So all you'll need to do is go onto jotform.com. Once on jotform.com, you'll be prompted to enter your email address and you can sign up with your Gmail account or your Yahoo email account. Once you have done that, you'll be led to a platform, or better yet, a dashboard just like this. And from here, I want you to go over to the top menu option. And from here, you will see templates, you will see integration. What I want you to do is go right where you see products, and you're going to tap on Jotform apps. After selecting Jotform apps, you'll be redirected to this page. And by the way, having a beautiful app for your business is very easy using Jotform, and you don't need to know any coding or anything like that, as I'll be showing you step by step how to do this. The first thing you'll do once on jotform.com and you have selected apps, you're going to tap on Get Started Now. After selecting Get Started Now, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, you'll see the option Start from Scratch, meaning you'll start with a blank template, or you can use one of the templates that they have, or you could clone an existing app, or you could decide to build a store. So for example, you will enter in certain informations about your business and Jotform will create an app based on the information that you have entered. But for this example, I will select Use Template. After selecting Use Template, you'll be redirected to this dashboard. And from here, you'll see numerous templates that you can choose from. It all depends the category that your business falls under. As you can see from the left-hand menu option, if you would like to create a booking app, you could select Booking Apps. And then you'll see different Booking Apps templates that you can choose from. Also, if you'd like to create a checklist app, you could tap on that. And you can scroll down, it all depends. So let's say for example you want to create an app concerning teaching. You can do that also. All you'll have to do is tap in the search bar. Then from here you could type in teaching, or you could type in teacher, better yet, or teach. And you can see right here, this is an example of an app that you could use. So you can select any one of these options, and by sort you can tap on sort and you could select recent if you want, or you could select popular. For this example, I'll select one in the education field. So I'll select education. Then after doing that, you can scroll down and you can see the different templates. Then I'll select preview to preview this template right here. And you can see how it looks. Then you'll tap on Use Template. After selecting Use Template, you'll be redirected to this page on which you'll be able to edit the app. So from here, if you would like to change any text, all you have to do is tap on the text box and then you can change the app title. So let's say for example, I want to add simple answers right here. I can, and you can also add app description if you want. Also, if you wanted to add a logo, you could remove the current logo. Let's say I tap on remove logo, then select upload file. After selecting upload file, you could search through and select an image. So let's say for example, I want to add this logo right here. I could add it, as you can see right there. And you can also adjust the logo size by gliding along the line right here to increase the size. Once it is to your liking, you tap on the X in the top right hand corner. Then you can scroll down and you can change any section, as I said earlier. So if you would like to edit this section, all you have to do is tap on it. Then you are going to select the settings cog and you will see properties. And from here, if you would like to remove the image, you could select remove image. Then you'll be able to add your own image. And also if you would like to add an image link, so once someone taps on that image, they will be redirected to a next page, you could do that also. And also if you would like to add a particular element that you do not see at the moment on this app template, all you'll have to do is go over to the left hand menu option, tap on add element. After you have selected add element, from here you can scroll down. So for example, if you would like to add a button, you could select button, then drag and place it where you'd want to put it. After you have done that, you will see it right here. Then you'll see this element won't be visible until you select a button action. So you are going to tap on properties. After you have selected properties, from here you can add the button text. So you could type in read more, for example. Then you'll select button action. After selecting button action, from here you could tap on visit URL, send email, or you could tap on make call and add a phone number. I had selected visit URL. So here you would paste the URL that you'd like them to visit once they have tapped on that button. If you wanted to direct them to make a call, you could tap on make a call, then you would add the phone number that it would automatically dial whenever they tap on that button. Another thing that you can also do, you can go over to the left hand menu again and tap on add element, and from there you can scroll down. If you would like to add more text, you can tap on add paragraph and you could be able to drag that and place it. If you'd like to add more images, you can do that also. If you like to add a video or a map, you can also do that. And you can also add testimonial. If you like to add social following, you can do that. You can also add tables if you want. Once it is to your liking, you can scroll down and you can look at it right here. You'll be able to change the price if you want. All you have to do is tap on the particular section. And also if you would like to change the color of the app, for example the background color, you are going to go over to the top right hand corner, right below preview app, where you see the paintbrush. You are going to tap on that. Then you will see app background properties. So if you would like to change the color, all you'll have to do is tap right where you see start color. You could tap on that, tap on the color box right there if you would like to change the color. Then from here, for example, if you would like it to be yellow, you could select yellow. And you can see there, you can see the difference. For example, if I were to select red, you'll see the difference right there. And also if you like to change the end color, you can do that. And if you would like to change the list background color, you can also do that. So for example, if I like it to be red, you can see it right there. Once you have made the changes, you are going to tap on X. And also you can change the app layouts. So at the moment you can see the current layout. If you would like to see it all shrinked, you could tap on all shrink. So let's tap on use this template. You can see it right there how it would look. So you can select any one of these options. I prefer the default, so I'll select default. Once it is finished, you can close out. Then you could toggle on preview app in the top right hand corner to preview how your new app looks. So let's select preview app so we can see how it looks. You can see it right there. This is our new app. And you can also tap right here to see how it looks in landscape. As you can see right there, that's it. Once it is to your liking, you could also try it on your device if you want by tapping in the top left hand corner, right where you see try it on your device if you wanted to also. After you're finished, what I want you to do next is tap on publish. And once you have selected publish, you'll be redirected to this page. And from here, you'll be able to share this link to install your app on a mobile device or to open it in a desktop browser. So all you'll have to do is share this link right here. And also if you would like to embed it, you can also embed it by tapping on embed code. And from here, you'll be able to embed it on your website. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching. And by the way, you can also use it via QR code, as you can see right here.